What is bidialectalism and dialect code switching? Imagine being able to switch between two ways of speaking depending on who you're talking to or where you are. That's what bidialectalism is all about. It means someone can use two different dialects of the same language. For example, a person might speak their local dialect at home and switch to the standard version of the language at school or work. This ability is common in many communities around the world. Dialect code switching is the process of changing from one dialect to another during a conversation. It can happen within a single sentence or across different parts of a talk. For instance, someone might start a sentence in their local dialect and finish it in the standard dialect. Or they might use their home dialect with family and switch to the more formal dialect with teachers or colleagues. It's a natural way for people to adapt their speech to fit different social settings. People often become bidialectal because they grow up hearing one dialect at home and learn the other through school, media, or social interactions. This is different from bilingualism, which involves speaking to separate languages. Bidialectalism is about two versions of the same language. It shows how flexible language can be and how people use it to connect with different groups. When someone is bidialectal, they might use certain words, pronunciation, or grammar from one dialect in some situations and switch to the other in different contexts. Social factors influence this, like which dialect is seen as more prestigious or suitable for a particular setting. For example, a person from Ireland might speak Irish Gaelic at home but switch to English when talking to friends or at work. This skill helps people communicate more effectively across social boundaries. It allows them to fit into their local community while also participating in wider society, where the standard dialect is expected. For example, someone from the southern United States might speak in a regional dialect with friends but switch to standard American English in formal settings. Understanding bidialectalism and dialect code switching shows how language adapts to social needs. It highlights how people change their speech to belong, to show respect, or to be understood better. These concepts reveal the dynamic nature of language and how it reflects cultural identity and social relationships.